Good morning students. I am Urmil Mengi. Today we will do the fourth part and last part of this poem, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. This part starts from the line, unless governor, inspector, visitor. Poet want to say that unless the governor, inspector and visitor does not take inspection in the school, doesn't visit in the school and doesn't do anything to improve the condition of these schools, those in infrastructure is not able to the children, nothing can be good for the children. This map becomes their window. This map means the map that is hanging in the class, and that is the word map, and that is showing a good word, because on this map there are rivers, mountains, and this word looks very beautiful. But these children's lives spend in the slum only, and when they look out from the window of their classroom, they only see narrow street, and that is dark because the sunlight doesn't reach in their lanes also. They shut upon their lives like a catacomb. They only spend their life in these slum areas like a catacomb, as the dead body live in the coffin. In the same way they remain in this dirty area. Break, oh break open till they break the town. Poet wants someone come and free. Break means free them from this dirty area, filthy area, so that and show the children to green field, and so that these children can also enjoy the green fields, mean they can also come from the filthy area and enjoy the sun bask and make their word run as your on gold sand, so that these children can also sun on gold sand and bask the sunlight, enjoy their life. Someone came and that can get rid them from these children from their poverty, and they can also enjoy the life and nature, and let their tongue run naked into books. The poet says that only and only education can improve their conditions. So someone should come and improve the condition of their school, so that they can get education and get a job, and then they will get rid from the poverty. The white and green leaves open. White leaves mean the books. When they will read the books, they will become educated, and they will be able to come out of their filthy condition. Then they will become rich because they will get job. And green leaves mean they will enjoy their life because still they are living in the dirty area. And history there whose language is the sun. uh, Poet says that history is the those children, those are educated, and sun is the symbol of bright light. Sun is the symbol of good education. When the as the sunlight spread same, if the education will spread in these dirty areas, they will come out from their conditions. Their conditions are only their hunger. They are living in starvation, and if they want to get rid of their condition of hunger and starvation, then their word will become clear. Otherwise their word is foggy, क्योंकि अपनी भूख के आगे वो कुछ देख नहीं पाते, उनको सिर्फ अभी अपनी भूख नज़र आती है, इसीलिए जो सुंदर संसार है वो नज़र नहीं आता। वो कब नज़र आएगा? जब वो इन चीज़ों से बाहर आएंगे। और बाहर कब आएंगे? जब वो एजुकेशन गेट कर लेंगे और पढ़ लिख जाएंगे, अपनी लाइफ में कुछ हासिल कर लेंगे, अच्छी जॉब ले लेंगे, तब उनकी कुछ कंडीशन इम्प्रूव हो सकती है। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। बेटा, इफ़ you want to get success in their life, education is the must. Only and only education can improve the condition of the poor people.